Hello, my name is Ashley Scretti, and today I will be doing a comparative analysis of McDonald's and Chipotle. Here we have a quick agenda. I will walk through a brief company background, their value discipline, and move forward from there. So a little bit about McDonald's. They were founded in 1940. They are now headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, and their current stock price is $201.53. They have over 36,000 locations and a newly appointed CEO as of November of last year. Chipotle was founded in 1993 and is headquartered in California. Their current stock price is $748.73, and they have just about 2,500 locations. They also have a new CEO, Brian Nichols. He was appointed last March of 2018. So here we have some value disciplines that each company abide by. McDonald's here is focused on a consistent, simple menu, their marketing, keeping a low price for products, and their market leadership. Chipotle, on the other hand, is focused on digital transformation, marketing, healthy food, and their partnerships. McDonald's considers these four value disciplines a key to their success, but also operational excellence as their focus. Chipotle doesn't necessarily have such a narrow streamline for their value discipline. They had to refocus their strategy since the 2016 E. coli outbreak, but their new CEO was able to reevaluate, reanalyze, and readapt and move them forward out of that by using these value disciplines. Here we have a comparison of their different market segmentations. As you can see, McDonald's has a wider age range of 8 to 45, while Chipotle is focused on 18-year-olds to 28-year-olds. They also focus on consumers that have access to a disposable income and also health-conscious consumers. They don't want their main target market to even consider McDonald's as an option. McDonald's tries to market towards people that are looking for cost benefits as well as time efficiency. And Chipotle wants to give people who like to cook at home a chance to have food out. So how does each company build loyalty with their external customers? Well, McDonald's in the mid-90s realized that Americans started to be more health conscious. So they actually changed their strategy and launched a new marketing campaign, which you might know of, called Play to Win. They even changed their mission statement from the world's best quick service restaurant to being customers' favorite place and way to eat. They turned going out to eat into an activity. They also reworked their menu to include salads and reintroduced the McCafe for coffees, modernized their restaurants, altered their store hours to include more 24-hour stores, and really focused on consistency. Chipotle, on the other hand, is very much focused on their digital advertisements and social media marketing. They did release a campaign that, after 3 months, turned $1.2 billion revenue increase and a 65% increase in digital sales. All of these ads are focused on their healthy ingredients, which relates back to their value disciplines. They also market after sports fans. They ran an advertisement during college football games that promoted free burritos for all first-time app users. They also did a fun little game with the NBA Finals where every time the announcer said free, there was a code tweeted from Chipotle that allowed users to earn a free burrito. Chipotle Rewards is an incentive for consumers to use their app rather than other channels, as they can't earn points if they don't use the app. They also linked with Venmo last year to create a company-specific icon on the mobile payment platform. Overall, we see that Chipotle focuses on external relationships and partnerships, as well as digital advertising, while McDonald's focuses on internal improvements and expanded offerings. Moving forward, here are some ways that McDonald's and Chipotle both use AI and big data. McDonald's is focused on the new smart restaurant, while Chipotle has multiple avenues open. Chipotle recently integrated with Amazon Alexa. They are playing with AI-powered voice ordering. They use satellite imaging to do analyses on how many cars are in the parking lot of their stores at what time of the day. They are using machine-assisted social media assessments. Like I said earlier, they had an E. coli scare in 2016. So they really had to be careful of what was being said on social media so that they could counter it and be proactive about the claims. Behind this little square, it does say mobile pay. So consumers are able to pay through their phones. The Wall Street Journal was quoted saying that as many companies in the restaurant industry pursue digital transformation, the fact that Chipotle's digital sales have surpassed $500 million in 2018 and grew more than 100% in the first quarter of 19 may be particularly noteworthy. Chipotle is using AI and big data to create an awesome user experience. And while McDonald's is creating a digital experience, they are focused on solely creating a smart restaurant. When prompted to select one key event for each company related to digital transformation, for McDonald's, I chose the installation of kiosks and drive-thru technology. It came from a need for convenience and speed for their customers. And for Chipotle, I chose the implementation of a third-party delivery. In 2018, Chipotle introduced delivery. They partnered with DoorDash, and the order and delivery still takes place through the Chipotle website or app rather than using a third-party delivery app. This allows customers to be more in touch with Chipotle directly. It is available in around 1,500 stores right now, and they are planning on rolling out another 1,000 by the end of this year. Overall, they have been able to redefine their strategy by using their fresh and new identity to market to millennials and Gen Zs, who are more likely to order food and delivery online. So when looking at how these companies organize for digital maturity, I saw that the similarity here was that they both hired a new CEO. However, the McDonald's CEO came after the previous CEO was forced to step down. He was promoted from within. And Chipotle hired their new leader in March of 2018. He was previously Taco Bell CEO. And as we learned in week 5, it is sometimes critical to bring a new leader on with a new vision and a new strategy. This proved to be successful for Chipotle. They began closing unprofitable stores. They actually merged their headquarters, and this reduced 2 levels of management and saved them a ton of money. They started investing in new talent in areas such as marketing and digital transformation. And they also implemented a stage gate process for all product releases, process releases, anything that's going to get to store level goes through a stage gate. So Brian Nichols was really able to set a process and a strategy that was beneficial for Chipotle. Brian Nichols was quoted saying, "When I got to Chipotle, the company had tons of ideas, an almost crippling number. But now I think we're focused on the right strategies. Execution is getting better. The response has exceeded expectations. And I think that's why we've seen the response from the financial markets." McDonald's, on the other hand, has improved their food quality, invested in some technology, such as the smart restaurant, has an employee-focused framework, and has acquired an AI startup to support some of their initiatives. So, McDonald's, they use consumer analytics to streamline menu offerings. Basically, the AI is used for measuring consumer behavior and figuring out which menu items to promote at different types of the day. So during very busy hours, the analytics will remove long prep time items. And during slower hours, they will reinstate them. Same thing as during peak hours, they will promote the more expensive meals and demote the cheaper meals. Chipotle is doing something similar with analytics. They actually hired a company called Quantify to perform their analytics. They did not feel that they had a strong enough internal team. And basically, they're running analytics every day on consumer preferences and how to improve business operations. So in conclusion, we see that McDonald's value disciplines focus on operational excellence, while Chipotle focuses on product, marketing, and partnerships. McDonald's has a wider age range of customers, while Chipotle focuses on a narrow market. McDonald's creates customer loyalty through consistency, and Chipotle uses digital marketing, sports partnerships, and a rewards program. McDonald's is focused on the smart restaurant, while Chipotle has a wide range of use for AI and big data. Both companies have digital transformations underway, and Chipotle has purposefully selected a new CEO, while McDonald's was mandatory. Either way, the new leadership has made a positive impact on both companies. Here are some of my references, and thank you for watching.